There's Hefty. We found a hefty elephant. Now put 'em. Look, she's dancing for us.
A video that you're showing your advisor, for God's sake.
Oh God.
The transformation to a man. This is called sex change surgery, everybody. Here's our makeup artist. What? And our freak spaz, Kara.
Check everything.
And our hair professional, Steph. And our client, Rika. Soon to be Rika.
Honey, Mom's coming. Mommy's coming.
This is filming. Ricolina.
Reku.
So pretty much, she was a girl, and well, now she's going to be a man, and next is the lady parts.
Hairstyling. Okay, she's not showing that to her.
Oh, my name is Rika.
Hello, my name is Rika.
Dude, I'm so glad I'm not dude.
Not yet.
His voice just cracked.
Did you just say your voice just cracked?
Meese.
Okay.
Meese for meese.
Okay. Meese puts 99.9% of germs in the You have to go back out the same door.
Oh, Kara. Hairbrush.
Signing out.